This is Dr. Epstein. This is my nurse Cindy, and this is our lovely patient. She had prior tattooing done 10 years ago in an attempt to give her the appearance of a lower hairline, the results with which she's not happy anymore. And I'm utilizing a unique procedure, something I perform 3-4 times a week, called hairline lowering or surgical hairline advancement or forehead reduction surgery, where essentially it's mostly used for women that have genetically high hairlines, where I'm basically taking an existing hairline and bringing the whole hairline lower. What enables me to do this surgery is she's got a nice mobile scalp, so I can essentially lower her hairline in the center aspect around 20 millimeters, just under around 3/4 of an inch, and on the side is around 27, 28 millimeters, which is around 1.25 inches. This will basically result in a fine line scar, her nice original hairline brought down to a lower, more aesthetic and proportional placement, and it will basically solve her issue in just a single procedure. This technique is also utilized for patients that have had prior grafting done where they have a lot of scarring, where similarly, not only can I remove the prior grafts, but I can remove all the scarred skin. So basically, the procedure is done under general anesthesia. It's going to be done basically bringing her entire hairline down, removing all this excess skin, and then leaving with a fine line scar, which down the road, as soon as 3 to 4 months later, around 15% of my patients choose to have some hair grafting done to soften if there is any visibility of the scar. And I'm back with our patient, who is now around half an hour out of surgery. She was done under twilight sedation, which means that she was awake but wasn't really aware of anything. But most importantly, surgically, we were able to advance what was her hairline up here is now down here. That permitted the excision of essentially a full inch of all this prior tattoo. The only area that I wasn't able to remove is right here along this lower side, but that'll be quite easy to fill in with grafting at some point down the road. And here we can see this side where the basically just over 1.25 inches of prior tattooed skin was removed, bring this portion of the hairline, which was here, down here. So here she is, her final result. We got rid of essentially just about her entire prior tattooed area. The only area that was left was a small area on both the left and the right temple. That's it. Nice work. Nice result.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.